Hello, editors. Today we are going to learn how to read. What's that?
I mean, you know what? I think it was the glasses. I was cool until you started doing a whole bunch of touches.
You want these subtitles? Don't worry, I got you. Drag down a Text Plus layer from Effects menu, and make sure it's only 6 frames long. So move 6 frames forward and delete the rest of the part. Then select the text layer, and in the inspector menu go to Transform, and put a keyframe to offset X and Y values. Make sure your playhead is at the beginning of your text layer. Then move 3 frames forward using right arrow key on your keyboard, and set Y value to 0.03. Again, move 3 frames forward. Now your playhead should be at the end of the layer. Add another keyframe, and this time, change the value to -0.03. And like always, customize your text however you like. Next, select your text, then right-click and open in Fusion. First, let's add some motion blur to the animation, like so. Then head over to the spline editor and check template. Then hit Ctrl+A to select all the keyframes, and then press S to ease them. Next, select the text node and hit Shift+Spacebar to open Effects menu. Search Soft Glow and click Add. Change the glow value in the Inspector tab as per taste. Finally, the animation is done. Now let's create subtitles. For that, go back to the edit page. For subtitles, we need to duplicate the text layer. Hold Alt on your keyboard and drag the text layer to the right using your mouse. And change the text. Now, keep duplicating the text layers to get the desired length. And change each text according to your audio. And eventually, you will end up with something like this. I know it might not look the same as the reference, but it was my first time creating something like this. Still, I think this looks cool enough to use as subtitles. But if you want word-by-word subtitles like this, watch this video right here.